In the old days. In the old days, food tasted better and was more nutritious. This is because of the cooking methods our great-grandparents used. There were no modern appliances like microwave ovens, food processors, air fryers, or automatic cookers like what we use today. Food may be cooked faster in modern times, but it is not as tasty or nutritious as the food our great-grandparents cooked. In yesteryears, our great-grandparents used charcoal to cook. They would use a pestle and mortar to pound their spices. The spices were then used to marinate raw food such as fish and chicken or to cook curries. They would wrap fish in banana leaves before grilling the fish over a fire. They also cooked vegetables which were freshly picked from their own gardens. Thus, the nutritional value in the food was maintained and it tasted better. Answer the questions. Question 1. What is the passage about? A. Great-grandparents. B. Appliances. C. Food. D. Spices. Question 2. What is the purpose of a pestle and mortar? A. Cooking. B. Grilling. C. Baking. D. Pounding. Question 3. Why did food taste better in the olden days? A. It is fresh and has flavors. B. It has artificial coloring. C. It is cooked fast. D. It is kept overnight. Question 4. Name 3 electrical appliances that did not exist in the olden days. Question 5. Would you be able to live a life without technology and modern inventions? Why? Question 6. Describe how food is prepared in your home.